Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Jamaican style tilapia. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the marinade. The marinade all put together. The tilapia in the marinade for about an hour. And here's all the goodies for the dredging. The dredging all ready for the tilapia. Heating up some oil in the saute pan. Here's the piece of tilapia in the dredge. Here we are frying the tilapia. Here it is on the second side for both pieces. Here's all the goodies for the red sweet potato. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.